Here's how we'll get started for Splash Math, which is now called Splash Learn. You'll go to splashlearn.com, click Sign In, Teacher or Parent, Teacher, and then press Login with Google. Once logged in, you might have classes from the previous year. We're going to go up to your profile over here and click Manage Classes. We can then delete any old classes. And we can add a new class. And if you're using Google Classroom, you could use that. Otherwise, it's simple enough to just add your class and choose the appropriate grade level. You'll be adding your students by name. I would recommend doing their first name and their first initial. And press Add Students. And then Done Adding Students. And these are the instructions that your students would do. The first time, I'll show these on the iPad. They'll open up the Splash Learn app. They will select class. They will enter your class code, which you find at the top of this page right here, not the one that is on this picture. They would find their profile, and then they would have a password that you would give to them. To access that password, you can print roster and print as a list, or print a card for each student, and you'll get a roster like this. When your students first log on, you'll have to press the settings icon, press settings, enter in your year, and then sign out. Now, your students are able to press Login, Class, and then enter that code for your class. They would need to select the student and then enter in their password. They would then be able to work on any of the units that you have assigned to them. In the app, they'll have a learning path for them. They can complete these activities in order to unlock a gift, or they could choose to do a different learning path.
Add the numbers.
If you have given them any assignments, they can go back to the main page, press My To-Dos, and see the assignments that you have given to them.